Starlink installers. Today we're over in a place called Whitchurch and we're installing a Starlink Enterprise Kit. What we've done, we've installed this on a nice galvanized bracket, and the dish is exactly the same as a Gen 3. We've got a pole pipe adapter on the top. The cable comes down nice and neatly, and we've got a nice cover on the outside, stopping any damp getting in. I'm going to show you now on the inside, because you don't get a router with this. So basically I'm going to show you how it configures. Now that is your power supply for the Starlink Enterprise. It's a heavy duty power supply, and on the power supply the left hand one is going to your dish, the middle one is going to the mains 240 supply, and this one is the Ethernet cable that's supplied with the kit that you plug into a switch or a router. Now installers keep asking me about this configuration. It's dead straightforward. You download the QR code in the box and it opens up the Starlink app, and then it needs a full 12 hours to do a software update. So this is Starlink installers over at Whitchurch on a lovely blue day.